Thank you for watching videos by Jeff Sibelius and LandonAirPhotos.com. Recently I published a video showing the ordeal I had gone through to get my Typhoon H Plus repaired from Yuneec, and I've been asked how that turned out. Did I get my drone back? And so I'm going to talk a little bit about that in this episode. If you haven't watched the initial video I did on why I was pissed at Yuneec, I encourage you to watch it. It goes through step by step the ordeal that I'd gone through up to now, or up to that point, on getting my Typhoon H Plus repaired that was shipped from the factory to me defective. And anyway, so if you haven't watched it, check that episode out. It's linked in the upper right corner right now. And that'll give you the background on that. If you did watch it, as a matter of fact, on screen I'm going to put right now kind of a summary of the steps that I went through to get to the point where they were shipping the drone back to me, so you can be looking at that right now. I'll leave it on screen for a couple minutes. Anyway, when last I talked about this, at the end of the last episode, it was July 2nd, and the drone had been shipped and it was supposed to be delivered on July 3rd. Well, I'm happy to say it was delivered on July 3rd, and the box looked great, pulled it all out, drone looked great, and I'm ready to go. Finally got a chance to fly it again on July 4th, and here is my momentous test flight of the Typhoon H Plus. Okay, here we go. Turn on obstacle points, big test. Nothing. Are you kidding me? It is absolutely doing nothing, just like it did before. Right stick, nothing. Left stick, nothing. Right stick, back, yeah, back works. That's right. No difference in the drone. When I tried to put the drone in obstacle avoidance mode, the right stick was disabled in all directions but reverse. Just like it was when I sent it up there. So the ordeal continues. On July 4th I tested it. It failed. July 8th I called KAV and I got to talk directly to the technician who worked on my drone. I think his name was Brad. Super nice guy. He was shocked that the drone wasn't working because he said they tested it and it was working. So anyway, he was very apologetic and told me that they would be getting me an RMA to get it sent back to him, and that they'd jump on it right away. It wouldn't have to wait in line. So anyway, very nice. It was a good opportunity to actually talk with the technician. I like that. That was July 8th. I didn't hear anything for a week. July 15th rolls around and I get an email from Yuneec saying, "Hey, we hear you may have had a problem with that last service call. Let us know if there's anything we can do to help." So I write back to them and say, "Why, yes, I need more help. The damn drone isn't working. It's the same as it was when I sent it up there." I don't hear back for a while. Finally, July 23rd, more than a week after that, I get an email from Yuneec. They're saying, once again, I have to close my ticket and then open another ticket so they can send me an RMA. I don't know why I have to keep opening and closing tickets all the time, but that's their system. So I shut it down, I closed the ticket, I opened a new one, and they sent me an RMA. Took another day for UPS to get me a shipping label, which arrived on July 24th. And so I'm ready to send the drone back to KAV, and hopefully they can get it fixed this time. Incidentally, when I talked with the technician who worked on the drone, he told me that the part that they replaced was the actual RealSense module. So I don't know if I got another defective module or if that wasn't the problem to begin with. I don't know. but we're just going to have to wait and see what they have to say. The only good thing I have to say right now, all the way up to this point, I'd been dealing with this problem with the obstacle avoidance and trying to get it repaired and everything. I never stopped to actually look at the video that the Typhoon H Plus shot. I was focused on the video from my Panasonic G85 camera that I was shooting of the Typhoon H, and not the footage from the drone itself. What I've seen from the Typhoon H Plus is beautiful footage. I'm shooting in 4K 60 frames per second, and there's a real presence to the video. It looks like you're looking through a window, and the stability in that gimbal is just remarkable. So I've got a little bit of excitement. I've got a light at the end of the tunnel, because I know that if and when, hopefully when, they get this thing fixed, I'm going to have a drone that's going to give me some amazing photography, and I can't wait to show you what this camera does if I can ever get it to where the damn thing works. Anyway, that's the latest status. The drone's going back, and I'll let you know when I get the drone back again. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching this video. I set up a Facebook group to make it easier for us to talk and arrange opportunities to fly together. Follow the link in the description below to sign up for the group. On screen you'll find links to more videos on how to fly drones, so please check them out. Before you go, be sure to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to this channel so you know when more videos are released. Thanks for watching.